Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX guys, and if your low beam headlights do not work on the left or the right side guys, stay with us and we'll explain guys how to fix that. First, of course, it could be a bad bulb, but second reason guys, it could be a fuse. You have actually two fuses for the low beam headlights and one fuse for the high beams. The high beams will be shared in another video. Today we'll be discussing the low beams guys. Make sure you stay with us until the end. We'll show you both fuses. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below guys, and let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. Let's start on it now. So let me show you guys now how the headlights do not work on the left side, low beam headlight. You can see, we'll share for the right one as well. Okay, you can see this one is out. So what we'll do now guys, okay, we're going to go ahead, turn the ignition off because I had the ignition so I can show you the lights. Next guys, what I'll do, we'll go right here next to the pedals, okay, and we need to press, okay, the parking brake all the way down so it's not in the way. Okay, like that. Here now, we'll need to guys open that cover, slide that thing like that, and grab it, pull it out. Now if you guys need replacement fuses, you can find that fuse box in the description of the video below. We'll have the link. It's very cheap, very affordable for so many fuses, so it's really handy. Now the fuse guys that we're looking at, okay, we have two fuses. One is for the left side, one is for the right side. Okay, so let me explain now quick. The one for the left side is fuse number 7, starting from top to bottom on the left side. So fuse number 7 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this fuse right here, number 7 for left headlight, low beams. Number 8 is for the right side. Ours, the left one doesn't work. So what I'll do, I'll get the fuse puller. Okay, grab the fuse now. Pull it. Now this fuse guys, okay, give me just a second to see if it's burnt or if it's not. And this one guys, okay, looks like a burnt fuse. You can see how it's black on the inside. I'll get a replacement one quick here, okay, install it, and we'll see if that fixes our problem. So number 7 is left side, number 8 is right side. Okay, and later guys, don't forget to install your cover. What I'll do now, I'll just go ahead, turn the ignition on, okay, and see if that will take care of the problem. Hopefully guys, it does. And as you can see, both of the headlights work perfectly fine. So thank you guys for watching. Please, hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.